Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be vlogging. I don't have much to do on my list. I'm working from home today, but I want to run a few errands. Like right now, I'm on my way to the salon to see if I can relock my dreads because I already have a normal undergrowth. So I want to see if I can like just relock it and then maybe style it and all of that. So from there, I think I have to stop by a friend's place to pick up something. Then I probably would just stay there and walk because most times when I want to walk at home, these little minions here won't let me walk. So there's a lot of distraction. So I'll probably just go with my laptop and all of that to see if I can get some work done. And if anything interesting comes up, I would hit you guys up and talk to you guys about it. So I wanted to use this to do like this vlog to do like an home update vlog kind of thing. So maybe when I come back I will do that. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye. My son just got back from the barber shop. Baba, let me see your hair. Face me. Face mama. Oh nice. You're looking good. Say thank you, mama. So you just got back from the barber shop. Tony, you're next. You make sure you lose your hair today, okay? So that we can do something nice for you. Alright? Say yes, mommy. No, I say yes, mommy.
Yes, mommy.
Good girl. So you guys go have your bath so that you can eat breakfast, okay?
Wait, mommy.
What would you like to have?
I like.
I'm waiting. Don't put that in your mouth.
Toast bread and hot dog.
Toast bread and hot dog. Okay. So, Baba, what would you like to have for breakfast? Look at me now. Toast bread and hot dog. Okay,
Mommy,
good.
Baba won't let me eat biscuits.
What biscuit are you eating? Baba, what are you holding? Share with your sister, okay? Please. Good boy. Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm done at the salon now. I don't know if you can see, but my hair is looking neater than when I left. So I'm with my friend now. I shall say hi. Hi. So we just quickly came around to do some things, like run a few errands, and then we are going back to our store. So the only thing I know that is interesting I really want to do today is I want to try and make waffles for one of my businesses that I do. It has to do with making like quick breakfast and delivering it for people and all of that. So I want to introduce waffles to the menu. So today is going to be that day that I do like photo shoots of waffles. So I have to make waffles for photo shoots, for marketing content and all of that. I don't know if you understand that, but so as soon as I'm done with her, I'll go home, and then that's what I want to do today. I think I'll also be needing ice cream for props. I already have some things, you know how you decorate it with whether ice cream or fruits or berries and all of that. So I think I need to get a few of the things I would need for that. So maybe I'll do that on my way home, and after that I'll make the waffles. I don't know if I will show the process, but I'll just come back here and talk about it if I do. And then after that, I don't think there's any other fun thing that I'll be doing today, but if I get up to anything, I'll come here and I'll talk about it. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. My obsession with plants these days, see, we even have an IKEA replica here, but they're so pricey for their size. Why not? I'll come back for that. So let me candles. I'm back home now, and I'm actually about to make the waffle that I mentioned in the last clip. Please ignore my face, I'm looking really stressed. So like I said, I want to just quickly show you guys a home upgrade, like just to show you what I've added to my living space since the last video I did for my low budget living and dining room transformation. I know I mentioned in that video that a lot of it, because I was doing it during the lockdown, I just kind of did a few things, and I was going to be upgrading it as things go back to normal, like when I can order a few of the items that I really wanted and all that. So I started to do that, and I feel I've bought a number of things now, and then I can show you guys what my space looks like now. So before, I don't want to talk too much, let me just get right into that now, because I want to make the waffles now, and I probably won't show that process, but I'll show you what the finished product looks like. So let's get right into the home update video. So the first thing I want to start with is this TV wall here. I know I mentioned that I don't think I need a wallpaper anymore, but I think I will still put a wallpaper here. I still feel like it's looking too white and black, like no character, nothing. Like I just feel like I need to put a wallpaper on that wall, but that's not the purpose for the video. So one of the few things I've added that I know I didn't show in my last video is this planter right here. It's a cactus plant. Let me look for better lighting. So I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a cactus plant. It's fake anyway. So I'll probably put the link to the Instagram page where I bought that from. I don't know if this was in my last video, but I know I got this recently, so this would be different from what was there before. It was a diffuser, a transparent one, but I just changed it to this fancy vase here. I still have my candles as usual. Then here I have just a transparent glass that has colored stones and all that. And then I also have the planter again on this side. And then I still have my candles. I'm running out already. I still have this diffuser here and that candle over there. Another thing I'm very excited about now is I have a center table. I know I mentioned it in my video that I was also going to get a center table, so I got this recently. I didn't really go for anything fancy because I have kids and I really have to just be careful when I have them around. Sometimes I even have to remove this diffuser here when I'm not at home to watch them. So anyway, on the table I have this tray right here. I'll put a link to where I got the tray. Then I have my diffuser, I have the controls, I have another one of this plant. I actually bought 3 of them, so I have that. And then you guys know I love candles, so I have this one here. So obviously I've started to use it. So the tray, I just put that tray just so that everything is organized. I didn't want to just put things there just like that. The living space looks like with the center table and those pieces and those 2 things I added, and this is what my dining area looks like. The major upgrade I did here was to set up like a corner office. I don't know if I can call it that here. So I know I mentioned in one of my videos where I was talking about my job, how I work remotely sometimes, and I felt like I just needed that space that would put me in that work mode. So I created this corner. This is the dining area, right? I only had this table here and that one that I did, and now I have this here. So before I was feeling like that space was empty, that's this side, but now that I have this table there, now it's not as empty as it looks. So this is my office corner right here, and I just have 2 floating shelves, and I have some little decor, the artificial plants, candles as usual, and then so here I just have like some sticky notes of some things I don't want to forget, and I just have books, like just a jotter, a notepad like that, stapler, then just a biro and some sticky notes. I also added this rug to my dining area. This rug used to be in my living space before, but when I changed the chairs, I changed the fabric of the chairs, it didn't really fit, so I didn't know what to do with it. At some point I thought I was going to sell it, but later I discovered that some of the colors actually match my dining chairs and all that, so that why not just put it there? So that's what I did. So let's just get right into my waffles. Time is going already. So I've already done some of the things I need to do here. So here I have my dry ingredients. I have my egg, and I have my milk, my melted butter. So I'll just get into it, and let me show you the waffle maker I'll be using. So I bought this some time ago, and this is the first time I'll be using this. This is Nigeria, so guys, even though I would like to have an electric one, but just because light is not something that you can depend on here, I also decided to first get the one that I can use on the stove. So I'll be using this one now, and then I already ordered for an electric one that when I actually start to use it for the business, that would be the one that I'll be using. So but for the sample, I'll be using this one for the stove. So guys, I know I've been talking, I'm tired of talking, I'm actually hungry. Let me just get right into making my waffles and taking pictures for the content that I need for that. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Let's just see. This is so yummy. So guys, I just want to end the vlog. After making the waffles and having that for dinner, I just went into chill mode. Like I was just resting and watching some TV. I didn't really do anything again. And I already saw that the vlog, while I was trying to edit it, it was about 12 minutes long already. So I feel like I don't need to add another day to it. So I'll just end it today. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was such a chill one. Nothing really fun happened and all that, but I really just wanted to create a content for this week, and that's why I decided to vlog. So if anything vlog worthy happens tomorrow, I'll probably just do another vlog tomorrow. Tomorrow I actually have to go to work, and I also have to go to church. So if I can vlog that, I will. If not, I'll see you guys next week. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that button. It's actually free. Yes, free. So please hit that button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.